What's up everyone, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, today's video is going to be a very different video from my regular topic. It will be very useful for those people who wants to earn money easily from online without having any kinds of skill. Recently in my Instagram I got so many messages to make videos on this topic. So finally I decided to make 3 videos on this topic, that how you can earn money online without having any kinds of skill. You just need your mobile phone or PC and you are ready to go. You don't need any kinds of previous skill to do it. So without talking too much, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel SSTec tutorial and stay connected with my channel. Okay guys, now there are so many videos on YouTube about earning money online, but most of them are about PTC site and other fake apps. And also you cannot assure your future depending on those site and apps. I will not mention those site name and app name. But guys, in this video what I am going to show you is 100% legal method to earn money online. Also I can assure you that if you grow on that site, that you might get assured your future also. Now what site I am talking about is nothing but Fiverr. You all know about that marketplace, right? This one is one of the best platform for freelancer to earn real money by working for others. Now you might think, what can I do on Fiverr without any type of skill? But trust me guys, you don't need any type of expert skill to work on Fiverr. You just need to know basic use of computer. And that's all you need to work on Fiverr and earn easy money from online. Now let me show you how to start on Fiverr. First of all, open up your browser and search on Google Fiverr. Now this is the Fiverr website. First of all, here you need to create an account. The account sign up process is very simple. Just fill up everything on the sign up form and create an account. Let me show you. Here is the Fiverr homepage. Just click on join. Now enter your email address here, then click on continue and follow the step, or also you can do continue with Facebook or Google. After creating and logging to your account, there you will find so many proposals to hire. You also can create for you so that people can see it and hire you for their works. Like this. Those proposals or advertisement called gigs on Fiverr. Now if I search here, remove photo background. You can see here there are lots of gigs and people just getting money by removing photo background. And this one is the easiest task what you can use to earn money on Fiverr. Don't worry, you don't need to be expert on photo editing or Photoshop. Now let me show you how you can remove any photo background without any skill. Just take another tab and search on Google remove BG. Now go to this site. And using this website you can easily remove photo background. Here I have some photos. Now I will show you how to remove this photo background using this website. Just click on upload. Then select the image, which one you want to remove the background, and open it. And you can see here, this website completely removed the background from this photo. Now you can easily download this photo from here. You might say it is easy one, but what about those photos which background is not so easy look like this one? So guys, you can also use it for complicated photos background. Let's try another one. Again, just click on upload image and let's select this complicated background image. Click on open. And you can see it also works for these photos too. Now just click on download and you will get the image without the background. if you want to download the high resolution, just click on download high resolution. Then it will ask you to create an account. I will suggest you use any temporary email account to get one image. Every email account, every new account has one free image download option. So every time you need high resolution, just click on download high resolution, sign up an account on Remove Busy using temporary email and download the photos. Now you understand what is the method. Now let me show you how to create gigs on Fiverr. First, search for same topic and get some idea about existing gigs. See how they create their gigs. And read the proposal. See other gigs and get some idea. Now to create your own gigs, click on your profile, then click on create a new gig. Now here add some titles, photos and the gig proposal. Follow the step one by one and create your own gigs. And like this you can start earning money online on Fiverr. In my next video I will cover another method of earning money without any skill on Fiverr. So that's all for today. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with a friend. And guys, if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I am Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SSTec tutorial and I am signing off.